Hello friends, I am Pragnesh Sharma. Welcome to Super Kids Planetarium Club. Today we are discussing everything about stars. Let me tell something very interesting about stars before we start our session. A star is an astronomical object consisting of a luminous spheroid of plasma held together by its own gravity. The nearest star to the Earth is the Sun. Many other stars are visible to the naked eye at night, but due to their immense distance from Earth, they appear as fixed points of light in the sky. Okay, so now we are starting. I am presenting my presentation. Okay, so now today we will talk about stars. So first slide, Rishit, can you read this?
The Milky Way is the galaxy our solar system resides within. When the skies are dark and clear, the Milky Way appears like a bright belt of stars. Its age is estimated at a whopping 13.2 billion years old.
Now, Rhea, can you read this?
The Milky Way galaxy contains all estimated 100 to 400 billion stars, but these numbers are constantly changing as new stars are born and old stars die out.
Now, Kyra, can you read this?
Stars. There are no pictures showing the entire scope of the Milky Way. Since Earth sits inside of the Milky Way, we should have to leave our own solar system in order to capture a picture of the entire thing.
Okay, good. Now, Shantum, can you read this?
Yes, the average star is between 1 and 10 billion years old. Although some stars are older than this, large stars live shorter life compared to smaller stars because large stars burn through their fuel much faster. Giant stars explode into a bright supernova when they die.
Okay, good. The most common type of star is a red dwarf. These stars are less than half of the sun's mass and size. Red dwarfs burn very slowly, extending their lifespan to over 100 billion years. These stars shine less than others because they are cooler, and as they age, they get dimmer until they disappear. Unlike giant stars such as supergiants and hypergiants, small red dwarf stars do not explode. Interestingly, our sun is a red dwarf star. Most of the stars you see in the night sky are bigger and brighter than the sun. All of the 50 most prominent stars you can see in the sky from Earth are much brighter and bigger than the sun. The dimmest of all 50 is Alpha Centauri, which is still more than 1.5 times brighter than the sun. Now, Akshit, can you read this?
When you look up at the night sky with your naked eye, all of the stars appear to be the same color, but in actuality, they are not. Stars have different colors depending on their temperature.
Okay, good. Now, Kyra, can you read this?
The hottest stars are blue, followed by white, yellow, orange, red, and the coolest star are brown. This can be confusing because we associate red with hot and blue with cold.
Okay, good. Heated objects change colors as they get hotter. A glowing red object is hot, but it represents the lowest heat seen under light. As something gets hotter, it changes to white and then blue. Our sun is a green star, or rather, a green-blue star, as its border these two shades. Once influenced by surroundings, the sun's appears to be white yellow to us. It takes millions of years for a star's light to reach our eyes, meaning you are seeing stars from long ago. Looking at the night sky is like looking back in time 100,000 years. On a clear night, you can see as far as 19 quadrillion miles up into the sky. Deneb in Cygnus is a bright star you can see in fall and winter. It is 19 quadrillion miles away. The Sun is the closest star to the Earth, but it is still located 4.24 light years away. It would take 70,000 years in our fastest spacecraft to reach the Sun. Most stars except for binary star systems prefer to live in solitude. If you were to float around outer space, you would find only one star for very long distances. Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star is a real song, but stars do not actually twinkle. As the light of a star travels into your realm of vision, turbulences in Earth's atmosphere cause disturbances in the light's path, creating the illusion that a star is twinkling. If someone tells you they see 1 million stars up in the sky, you can go ahead and call them out on a lie. There are billions of stars in our solar system, but there are not enough bright stars in any given area for you to see millions of stars at once. At best, on a very clear night and far away from any light sources, you might be able to see some 2,500 stars. Fun facts: most of the stars in the universe are red dwarfs. They twinkle because of the movement in the Earth's atmosphere. Many stars come in pairs called binary stars. The smaller they are, the longer they live. The nearest star to Earth is Proxima Centauri. The Sun is around 4.5 billion years old. Okay, so this much was the PPT. Now I am stop sharing the screen. I am ending this class, and next session's topic is stars only. We'll talk more about stars and types of stars also. So bye everyone, have a nice day. That's it for today. We will share more information about space and planets in our coming videos. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share our videos.